Alright, in this video we're going to look at two theorems to do with sequences. The first one involves subsequences, and this is the Bolzano Weierstrass theorem, and this states that every bounded sequence has a convergent subsequence. Just to note, what do we mean by a bounded sequence? Well, if we have A and B real numbers, if A is less than or equal to xn, less than or equal to B, that's for all natural numbers n, then xn is bounded. So if that's true, that implies there exists xni which converges to some alpha in the real numbers, okay? So the sequence being bounded doesn't imply that the sequence itself is convergent. Let's for example take sine n. I mean, that's bounded between 1 and -1, but it doesn't converge. So this is our first theorem. We're not going to look at the proof of this theorem, but if you are interested, I encourage you to look that up. Second, we've got Cauchy sequences. And a sequence is Cauchy if all terms eventually become arbitrarily close to one another or to each other, and more formally, that is for all epsilon greater than 0, there exists m in the natural numbers such that for m n greater than this m in the natural numbers, then the modulus of xn minus xm is less than epsilon. And what this is saying is we can pick any positive number epsilon, and it doesn't matter how small it is, we can find some natural number m, so that when we have terms beyond x of capital M, alright, so when we have terms further along, then we can then all those subsequent terms have a distance of less than epsilon, and this is clearly the same as this definition because we can get terms as close together as we like. We just have to go further and further along the sequence. Okay, we're going to look at some theory to do with the Cauchy sequences in the next video, as well as some examples on how and when we can use it. But this video was just to state these two theorems. As for the uses of Bolzano Weierstrass, we can use this result to prove some other results later on, and it can even be extended to more than one dimension later on. But as I say, that's all we're going to look at in this video. If you got any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.